This is Puerto Rican red beans and rice. So I made this. You can make the beans from dried the night before if you like, and then come and make the dish the next day. It's all up to you. You can store the beans. What you do is you start with just soaked beans that you soak for about 6 or 8 hours. Some people do cook these beans inside the pressure cooker without soaking them. I don't, because I want to reduce the gas. So you take 8 cups of water to 1 bag of soaked beans, and then you just set that on pressure cooker high for 30 minutes. Make sure you don't add any salt or seasoning to this because it will make the beans tough. You're going to add the seasoning afterwards. So once your beans are set aside and they've cooked for 30 minutes, they're nice and tender, we're going to start inside of the pressure cooker again with 2 tablespoons of neutral oil and some sofrito. I'm going to do a video on showing you how to do the sofrito. It's a seasoning that seasons up all Puerto Rican cooking. So once you have your sofrito inside, you kind of fry it with the oil. And then you add in a little better than bouillon chicken seasoning, about a teaspoon, and then about a teaspoon of this bacon hickory smoked yeast, and a couple of bay leaves. Continuing to let that sofrito warm up and fry. Going to add a packet or 2 of sazon, it's up to you, and some a tablespoon of adobo, also some oregano. Continue to let that seasoning fry and get all flavorful together. It starts to sizzle here. You can put in a cup of tomato sauce and continue to let that fry, saute, and then go ahead and put in a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now, I want you to put in 4 cups of the kidney beans. You can use pink beans here as well if you don't want to use kidney beans. And these I pressure cook, but you can also use them out of the can and do the same method. I used 2 tablespoons of green manzanilla olives and 4 small chopped potatoes inside of this bean mixture. It is set on high as saute right now. Remember that. And so it's cooking together. And then I put in 1.5 cup of water. Then I just closed the lid and kept it on high saute and let it continue for the rest of the 30 minutes. And this dish is complete. You can serve it with brown rice, and it is delicious. And your family will love it. And again, you can have this on the table in 30 minutes. The beans can be made the day before, dried, and then you can have your seasoned up beans made in 30 minutes.